Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day, and I feel that after 75 years of independence, we as Indians lack in financial knowledge and how to be financially free. So even our education system and schools do not teach about this particular subject, and most of us struggle in our life even after having a good job and having a good source of income, but you're not able to sustain and live the same life all your uh, you know till your retirement, or after your retirement. And I have seen many big celebrities who have got into fame but still not able to sustain their income, and they end up in poverty and live a distressful life. So I think all of us need to pay a little more attention in understanding what are the things you need to do to become financially free. And it is very important that you understand how markets work, how stock markets work, what are the various ways you can invest and grow your money, because money earned is not going to grow by itself. You have to make it grow, you have to invest in the right places, and you need to ensure that you're not simply keeping your money idle in the bank, which is not going to give you any returns, because inflation is high and every year it is going higher. So the money what you keep in the bank is always degrowing. So think about it, always invest in the assets which are growing. So in today's video we will start with our analysis on Banknifty, and also we will see what are the stocks we can invest for the coming weeks and which are the trends we can follow and write the complete trend. So stay tuned, watch for the complete video. Have a great day.
Yes, traders. So we are on a bank nifty chart, and first we will analyze in a monthly time frame. Okay, let me select the monthly time frame. For those of you who do not know how to see charts, know how to make sense of each stock, where to see the support and resistance level, and where to buy, actually take an entry, or where to invest, is a key thing which you can learn from the charts. So what you need to do is just go to a simple tradingview.com. This is a free tool available in the market. You can go to tradingview.com and search for any script and add that here. So for example, you can search for, say for example, if you want to search Axis Bank, you can search like this. You can do a future or a normal stock. You can select a normal stock here and it is added. When you click on this, you will get to see this is the Axis Bank monthly chart, and it's a candlestick chart. So don't select bars, halo candles, lines, area. These are all good to see, but they are very different in each of the functionalities of these bars. So how to read? This is basic Japanese candlesticks which we are using, which will give us the trend of the market. So you can use and learn about other candlestick patterns also, which you can use, but basic charting understanding is very important. So for now we will go to Bank Nifty chart. So this is a spot chart. I'm removing all the drawings so that we can plot the month and see what is the trend. So this was the corona crash. Okay, so this was the corona crash which happened, and from there market started going upwards, and it has cleared the high in the month of Jan 21, and from there it has been moving up and created a new high which is about 37,708. So this is a new high. Now we are heading towards breaking this new high. On a monthly time frame, I can see that we are close to the high of 35985 of the previous month, which is July, and this month which is 36317. So we have already surpassed the previous month high. So there is high likelihood that we will break this 37566 mark. So let's see the chart on a weekly trend. Okay, on a weekly trend also There is a little bit of resistance here. It's the reason we are not able to move up further so easily, because you can see so many narrow range candles are forming in this particular zone. So this is a resistance zone, and which is a support zone. So this was one support zone for us. So all these candles which are less than 50% will act as a support zone for you for making an entry. And if the market reverses from here, so where does it go? It will first take a support at this level, or it can take support at this level. So both depends upon what are the conditions the market is reacting to. So this is likely to be a bullish week for us next week. Let's see how it goes, and let's analyze this on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame also, the market is forming and it is close to the previous high. Okay, so the moving average 200 is moving up. 20 period moving average is in the zone, which is a sideways zone. We need a breakout above this level. So let's mark this level. This is the level which is very crucial for breaking out of this zone. Okay, so this is on a daily time frame, guys. And if I have to analyze this on a 15-minute time frame, what has happened on Friday, how did it move? It was in sideways zone, and mostly in last couple of days we have seen narrow range candles forming, so it is mostly sideways. But how did it benefit us? So we have taken entries at the right spot and we have made money, which you can check in my channel. And I have been posting my performance here. You can go to the community tab and see what has been the performance so far. So this is the kind of money we have made on the calendar strategy on an expiry spread strategy. This was a loss, and I keep posting here my profits and loss so that you can understand this. So if anybody wants to see what is the kind of performance these strategies have been giving, you can definitely go through this. And believe me, these are very simple strategies. Do not fall for the kind of trainers available in the market who are posting big M2Ms on the Twitter, which you get excited to see, but that is not, because the right way of trading is I am trading for the people who are having low capital of 2.5 lakhs and they're trading with one lot. So this is the kind of money which you can make with one lot. If you increase the capital, this amount can go to up to 30,000, 40,000 profits also, which will look very exciting for anybody who is going and searching on YouTube or Twitter. So you need to follow the right practice, and right practice is always about following the risk and reward. The market is bullish and it has closed bullish. If you see the 15-minute candle, okay, so it is above the 20-period moving average. And let's quickly analyze Nifty as well. Nifty is also very bullish. You can see the uptrend in the market, it is still continuing, and it is always taking bounce at 20-period moving average and moving forward. So there is high likelihood that we are going to open gap up depending upon the overall condition. Now let's look out for stocks which can give us an entry for a weekly investment. So this is a monthly super trend which I have created. It's a simple criteria which you can put here. Weekly close above weekly super trend 14 and 2, and filters is futures, or you can also choose Nifty 100, which is also decent, and search for stocks. Always go for stocks which are listed in Nifty 100 or Nifty 50 only, because You can go for mid cap also, but you need to understand the kind of fundamentals that company has. So it is always better to invest in these stocks because your index is driven by these stocks. So HDFC is giving us a good entry point. Okay, for this week, let us analyze HDFC. HDFC. And let's see what is happening on this on a weekly time frame. Okay, you can see that it has given an entry on a super trend, so we are absolutely right. The scanner is saying right things for us. It has taken good support near the 200 period moving average and then moved up, tried breaking super trend once, came down, and again this is a second attempt and it is able to break the super trend. And this time it's with volume. See the volume here. Okay, earlier volume was not supporting. There is a good volume now which has given us an entry. So what you can do is you can simply invest your money in HDFC looking at this candle and ride till this super trend is not broken. So what is your stop loss will be 2704. So you can always 2704 minus 2512. Let's calculate. 104 minus 2512. This is 192 points. So if you have a risk of about 5,000, what you do is 192. So this is the quantity which you need to invest. 26 shares of HDFC you need to buy on this entry and keep a stop loss of 2512. Either you can keep a mental stop loss or put a GTD order in the system. So this way, now if this starts moving up in a really good like this, after giving an entry, it moved up so much, you have to ride the super trend like this. So this is a good stock for us to enter. So every week you need to do this, or you can do this every day as well if you have much of a capital and start investing this. The simple rule is that you enter here, take this as your stop loss and ride till the stop loss is not hit. Here also you have entered at about 1930, you have exited about 2374. So let's calculate. $2670 minus 1930 is about 740. Even if you have taken 26, would have been given you 19,000 profit with this trade. So similarly you can ride this trend. So always watch out for stocks which are giving you an entry like this. You can do this on a daily basis as well, but I would suggest do it on a weekly basis so that you can ride the stock for longer period of time and longer benefit. And the loss, what will you capture if the trend reverses? Then it is 5,000 rupees, which is already factored. So you don't have to worry about it. So that's it for this week, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, share this videos with all your friends who are wanting to invest and learn the art of investing, learn the art of trading in the right way. Thank you so much for watching.